Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, here is another blocker, 24H2, once again. So, Microsoft has put a block on every PC that has something called Dirac audio software, D-I-R-A-C. So, that means that if you haven't moved to 24H2 yet, if you have that software installed, apparently it's quite popular with a variety of devices. You will not see 24H2 for now. The 24H2 users that have moved on before the block, the symptom is simple: no audio or very distorted audio. So basically what happens is if you have that software, it controls the audio chip, and it could be the internal speakers of your computer. It could be headsets. It could be Bluetooth devices also that are not working. So this is a problem that they have identified and that needs to be addressed with an update to the Dirac software for audio. So this is another problem for 24H2. Notice the amount of problems that were just specific to 24H2. It is pretty incredible. A lot of the problems don't actually have any issues with other versions. And this is another one. If you're on 23H2, it's fine, but on 24H2, just the audio goes away. And yeah, I've seen a few of you that have mentioned that you had no audio on your devices in 24H2 after updating, but they were kind of few and far apart, so I didn't really, and not really knowing that much about anything about audio problems, I didn't think it was maybe that big, but now it seems it is big enough to do another block. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Do you have that issue? Do you have audio issues or no audio at all in 24H2? Let us know in the comments below.